Time now for a check of your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a great Monday and a fantastic weekend. And boy, after that fog and all those low clouds over the weekend, it was kind of dreary, wasn't it? Sunshine as we look out our weather window from this afternoon. Our shot looking down at the Wenatchee Valley from our Wenatchee Heights tower camera. And boy, beautiful shots and shades and shadows along the Cascades and blue sky. And boy, was it nice to see out there today. However, very short-lived because we have a couple of storm systems to talk about. The first will make its way our direction tonight and more into Tuesday and for Wednesday. I know a lot of you are traveling over the next couple of days for this Thanksgiving week. And here's Snoqualmie Pass, Stevens at the bottom. Tuesday is what we're keeping our eye on, and it looks like just some minor impacts right now on Tuesday night into Wednesday. For Snoqualmie Pass on Wednesday, it'll be more of a rain-snow mix. But as we get into Wednesday over Stevens Pass, we will see some moderate impacts with some difficult driving conditions and maybe about 4 to 6 inches of snow on Stevens Pass. We're talking Tuesday night into Wednesday. And then as we get into Thanksgiving and beyond, it looks like just a rain-snow mix with temperatures warming up just enough to cause that mix. But boy, be careful over the next 48 hours. High temperature today above where we should be, unofficially at 48 degrees. 40 is our normal high for this time of year, and our record high, boy, we're going back for this one, 64 degrees set in 1959. 37 this morning, once again well above where we should be for a normal low at 29. And there we have it, that nasty November of 1985, 5 below zero, our record low. Sunrise 7:19 this morning, and it's set this afternoon at 4:16. Taking a look at what we can expect getting you into Tuesday. Temperatures are going to cool down as this first storm system moves in. The only locations, Moses Lake and Ephrata, seeing 40 degrees tomorrow. The rest of us in the upper 30s, 39 for Quincy, 38 in Wenatchee, 38 in Chelan as well, and 36 the high temperature tomorrow up in Leavenworth. In Leavenworth, you could see some snow falling tomorrow afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy skies. We will continue to see high pressure moving east, but that'll keep our weather pretty stable tonight with just a few clouds. Chilly with those clear skies. Temperatures tonight right around that 30-degree mark. And then all the changes begin as we get into Tuesday. Big trough of low pressure just off the Washington coast, and it's being fueled by almost an atmospheric river that's moving our way. And there you have it. Rain mixed with snow for our Tuesday. 80% chance of it. It will be cooler with highs in the upper 30s. There's that low moving just to the south by Wednesday, but it's still going to pump up some moisture, not so much during the day, but as we get into the evening hours, there we have it on Wednesday night, a 70% chance. I think mainly rain with high temperatures around 40. And for your Thanksgiving, the low pressure system will move into southwest Washington, and it's going to be a wet one, folks. At least a 60% chance for showers on Thanksgiving. Once again, a lot like Wednesday, high temperatures Thursday, right around 40. And then the good news as you travel after Thanksgiving, it looks pretty good. Mostly cloudy and warmer on Friday. Not too much to worry about. Warmer, too, with high temperatures in the mid-40s for Friday. Saturday and Sunday will begin to cool down, but our weather will remain stable. So if you're traveling this weekend, things look pretty good. Mostly cloudy skies, just a shade cooler on Saturday with high temperatures right about normal at 40 degrees. And then for Sunday, more good travel weather as high pressure continues to dominate our weather. It moves just a little bit north in our forecast map. Partly cloudy for Sunday. Still a little bit of a cool down with high temperatures then in the upper 30s. All right, time for your 7-day forecast now, brought to you by Colonial Vista Senior Living in Wenatchee, where comfort, care, and community come together. Overnight tonight, a cool one, 31 degrees, 38. These are the days we're keeping our eye on. 38 tomorrow with an 80% chance for rain mixed with snow, a 70% chance for mainly evening rain showers on Wednesday, 40 degrees your high. And then for Thanksgiving, cloudy skies, a 60% chance of rain, high temperature around 41 degrees, and then much drier weather as we get you into Friday and the upcoming weekend. Mostly cloudy skies Friday and Saturday. Saturday. We will see a bit of a cool down beginning Saturday with highs then about 40, partly cloudy on Sunday with a high then of 38 degrees. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, Eric Granstrom with a look at tonight's sports action as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.